Matter of fact, nah.
Yo, what's going on, man? It's been a minute. We have another video, me and Jaden, that where we went to the junkyard. I haven't edited and posted it, so I'll probably link that one with this one. Well, let me show you something. Alright, so yesterday, Thursday. Well, today's Sunday. Friday. I want to go pick something up. And I got some new wheels and rims. Turn the camera around real quick just so I can show you guys. I mean, they're in okay condition, man. Like this one's, I think somebody welded this with some JB weld. That's what he was saying. There was a crack on one of the rims. It might have been this one actually, where there was a crack somewhere and they welded it with some JB weld. He said he was still driving on it like that, but I don't know, man. But yeah, you can see they do have damage. I think this might be the same shit. Unless this is just a paint chip in there. Look at that shit, yeah. So more than likely probably just sand these down. But honestly, I'm not gonna keep, like, these are just the fuck around rims, you know what I mean? So I'm not really tripping on how messed up they are. I'm okay with these, but I think I'm gonna change these out eventually. This is just not my style. I mean, these kind of look similar to that, but I just like that it has an M thing in the OEM. So yeah, this shit has been down for probably about a month, I would say. Wait, we're in November now. It's been about 2 weeks. It just feels so long, yo. Like 2 weeks from, I don't know, just the time frame. But so this tire is good, but I'm still gonna change it just so I can have matching ones. This is the one that's fucked right here. You can see it's flat. When I pull it off, I'm gonna show you what happened to it. This is the Beamer. Oh, I also got low profile jack and some jack stands. I'm gonna change this out pretty soon. I want to change the steering wheel. The steering wheel, I think I'm gonna put OEM M steering wheel, but you know, not this type. The one that kind of comes down right here. I don't know what it's called. And then I gotta change this all out because, well, I'm gonna change this out to put a screen there. And then this is obviously gonna come down here, I think. But I have to look this shit. I think it's from, like, they were trying to hold the mirror here, and they were using all that fucking foam stuff. And then it came all down here, came all on here. I gotta change these out. I painted it too, and it just looks shitty, yo. Look at that. And I put carbon fiber all on here. I gotta redo it though, cause it looks a little shitty. I'll probably just go with the X-Acto blade and just clean it up, and then try to put this down. Push it more in there. I kind of want to put some lights behind here, just in this area though, and maybe on the doors, like behind these, because I don't know. I've seen people like running right here, but I don't know. I don't like that. Like, it looks nice, but I don't know. I feel like it's just throws me off. And then I'm gonna get a M odometer, so where it has the M right here, and then put carbon fiber instead of this black. And obviously change the seats out. Gonna put stars in here, and I don't know. I kind of looking to change this, but I don't really need to. It's already black, but maybe this. Sorry about that. But I mean, look at this, y'all. This is like in pretty good condition. The speakers are messed up too. That's another thing. So I gotta change the speakers out. When I change the radio, then I gotta change what I told you about this, the steering wheel, the seats. I mean, the seats aren't a problem because they're pretty nice. Honestly, like, look at this. Look how good. Look how they look. Oops. To where it's on. Oh, I forgot we changed the hood struts too. So now my hood stays up. I think I'm gonna buy another one of these, the frame, or this assembly to hold up the radiator and stuff. You gotta, like, look at all this shit right here. That's why I'm gonna replace that shit. It just looks nasty. And then I want to get the cover right here, and then run the the intake scoop to go to my quarter intake, and then obviously I'm gonna probably change that one out and put a more nice, better one. But it had the camera set up too if I wanted to change it. I'm not familiar with it, so I really gotta just watch and learn about, you know, how to adjust your camera and, you know, what's the best specs and all of that. So, but all right, I'm gonna probably set y'all up on the GoPro and start taking this well off, and yeah. So. Alright, so I got the car jacked up. I have the jack on the thing, and then I have the jack thing. All the lug nuts are off. Now I'm just trying to take the tire off, but it's a fucking bitch. And I see people like have to kick them and shit, and I'm trying, but god damn! Motherfucker is not coming off, so. But look, I mean, you can see how fucking rusted that shit is. Look at that. Look how rusted, so. I'm gonna try to fucking take this shit off. Alright, y'all. So I had to take a run to, AutoZone. Got some WD-40, and then I got this brake cleaner shit, and I got the wheel off. Here it is right here. Let me flip the camera. So this is the wheel. You can see right here. This is where the fucking split open. So it's all the way around, and you can see it's starting to go more right here. The tire's not out there in it though. But yeah, so go ahead and get rid of that. Put that one on and go to the other side. Alright, yeah. Wheel is on. So now I gotta just change this top one. Hopefully they don't give me no fucking problems, man. Now we gotta jack up this side. Well, look at that. I started jacking up the car. I loosened the lug nuts before and they just came right off. Fuck, I wish the right side was like that. Fucking bitch. But that's easier. Alright, so now I'm gonna slap this one on and we'll be done. Alright, y'all, so I got the tires on. And then I decided to wash the car, and I'm gonna do the clay wax kit. So I already pretty much washed it down with these motherfuckers pulled up. And then we about to watch the Cowboys game, chill, and I'm just gonna try to see how this shit goes. I gotta do it in sections so that way I can do it. But George is holding the clay wax kit right there. That's what I got. It was like 25 bucks, bro, from AutoZone, which isn't bad, $20. So, tell like a big difference from like the way this feels versus this. Honestly, it looks pretty good. Like, I mean, there's still some scratches. There's still scratches that you can see in certain areas. Like you can probably see that right there. There's a few scratches, but I think those are just too deep for the Claybar to get. Unless it's not, I gotta watch videos or something. But I mean, for the most part, the paint overall looks really good, and you can really see like and feel the difference. So I mean, I'm ready to do the door now. I'm just gonna do it in sections. Just take my time, man. To the Claybar, I didn't wipe it down in that thing. Took a little break and I finished the whole right side. All the way to the back. Now I just got the trunk. I don't know if I'm gonna do this top, and I don't know if I'm gonna do the hood. But the hood is pretty fucking bad. I'm really eventually gonna replace this. See all the scratches on the hood and all the scratches on the car. It's pretty deep. I don't think it'll get it, but Let's see what's up. Majority of it came out. I mean, you can see the deep scratches still, like right here. Those are just the deep ones. You can just feel how smooth it is. And you can still see some up here. It's like barely. But for the most part, man, it looks pretty good. What up, y'all? So now today it's Sunday, and I pretty much got most of the car done. I got the hood. I decided to do the hood. I wasn't gonna do it, but I just said fuck it. Let's just do it. I wanted to see how how it's gonna turn out, and it looks pretty fucking good, right? Like, and the smoothness, that you can really like feel the difference. So I got all this. I got all the trim pieces right here. The only thing I haven't got is the top, and then the hood, or the trunk, and then back here. So like I got all this. You could like see it, bro. Like, I don't know. But look at that shit, yo. Alright, so trunk is done now. I only go over it a little bit. See, you can kind of still see the scratches. But I mean, like the gloss on it and the shine is more better. I don't know if y'all remember seeing the lights. I'll probably do like a before and after. And then this shit. You see, if I want to get like this off, I have to go deeper than the Claybar. And I just gotta get this. I'm thinking about putting some carbon fiber on this. Alright, y'all. So I'm officially done with the car now. Even did the tail lights. I mean, shit, man. You can really tell the difference. I want to go and try to clean this up. Try to clean that up and maybe make it like more black, but you can see how faded it is from the sun. Cleaned up the windows a bit. I gotta do the tint too because it's already starting to bubble. See back here too. The windshield because big dash through it. Carbon fiber there if you haven't seen it. I'm probably gonna put like Alcantara leather over all this. Leather that's there right now. Put bucket seats. These seats aren't in that bad condition, although I did see this today, which is new to me. I've never seen that, or I didn't notice it at least. And then obviously change out all of that. I mean, get rid of all that. I kind of want to put the shift boot, like make it look like it's standard. Take that off and then just put the Alcantara shift boot there with the shift knob. But I mean, man, you can see for the most part this car is in pretty good condition for its age, man. You gotta take it in consideration that this is a 24-year-old car. So I mean, it is gonna have its, you know, ups and downs and stuff like that. Which, I mean, look at that, you know? You could really see a huge difference. How much difference it really makes with having this. Also with these tires, I think it's because these were 225 and the other ones are 235. I have a lot of room here now. I remember I couldn't even put my finger there, so that's just gives it a little bit more play. See, I gotta get a new hood or either fix that, sand it, and then repaint the whole hood. I mean, one of the two, but man, I really love this car, yo. This is just like something that I've wanted for a very long time. And I mean, I had the Civic, but this just hits the spot, man. Even though, you know, it's not an M3 or it's not a CI, I can enjoy it right now just the way it is. So eventually I am gonna probably engine swap this, maybe put an S54, and then these are the camber adjustments for the coilovers. So yeah, man, it's all done. Maybe soon she's gonna be getting wrapped. Look at this shit. Gotta try to pop it down because it's fun. This is one of my favorite parts, and this is what helped get the wheel off of it. This right here, man. Whoever made this or thought of this is fucking the smartest. And it's just like, it's cool. As I said, This is what helped me get the lug nuts off. Screwdriver. There's a few other tools missing, it looks like. So maybe I could just buy them on the side and complete the set. But I took out pretty much almost everything from the trunk. Take out the spare tire and everything else. Batteries obviously can stay back here. What y'all think? You see this carbon fiber, man? I fucked it up, but it's alright. But in here, they give you a flashlight to put up. Check this shit out. It comes with a flashlight, man. So I think I gotta change the fuse or something because this one doesn't work. But that's just badass. Unless something's just out on the actual thing. But it's just a little stuff like that. So yeah, man, slowly but surely, everything's coming along. All this car needs is the engine. I just needed to, be able to create more horsepower. And obviously I have to do, some suspension work. I change out the coilovers too and go BC racing because I see a lot of people prefer those for these cars or for this car. And just with the handling and stuff like this, these ones that I have now aren't bad. I mean, they're pretty good, and the car has dropped already, so I'll take another bonus that I didn't have to pay for, or I didn't have to do. It came with the car, so that was clutch, man. But only thing I'm regretting is I didn't do the mirror, the Claybar or anything. Yeah, man. I'll probably start getting ready to put this video together and try to get this out. I'll probably go to the back in a little bit and take some pictures when the sun's going down and get like some good car setting pictures. So yeah, man, maybe that'll be in this video if I do it. If not, then peace. Also, I don't know where the fuck Jaden's been at. Jaden's been MIA this whole week. He's been coming and going. I ain't seen him, so that's why he wasn't on this video. I think maybe, actually he was in the first part, but this part that I've been doing by myself, he hasn't been here. So, yeah, y'all put him in the comments. Jada, show the fuck up. Nah, but yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you watch this and if you enjoyed it, give it a like, share to your friends. Help us get the views and everything like that. Because as that comes, more videos will come, and it's just gonna keep going up and up. So, yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for real. Peace. What up, y'all? Brought her out to the street, trying to show y'all, in semi-daylight because the sun's going down, but of how, the paint overall, how it looks. I mean, it's not that much of a difference. I mean, honestly, yeah, it is. Like, it's a huge improvement, but it could be a lot better, especially with the deep scratches and stuff like that. But you can see, like, all the smoothness to it, really, how it's done. I wanted to run all 4 wheels on those back ones right there too. But I was just taking pictures over here, and yeah, I'll probably put some up that I got from this shoot. So